Welcome to our video on Class 8 English. This guide provides a question-by-question breakdown, including the correct answers and detailed explanations for each item. In question 1, we determine the correct preposition. When referring to living in a specific city, such as Hyderabad, we use the preposition in. Therefore, the correct answer ISD. For question 2, we identify the correctly punctuated sentence. Since the statement is a question, it must start with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Option B is correct. Question 4 asks us to complete the sentence. Given the context of the river speaking softly, the word whispering is the most suitable verb, making option A the correct choice. For question 5, we look for the antonym of the word splashed. Among the given choices, filled serves as a logical opposite in this context. The correct answer is C. In question 6, we identify a palindrome. A palindrome is a word that reads the same forwards and backwards. Civic fits this definition perfectly. The answer is A. Question 7 requires a phrasal verb. When a rocket departs from a launch pad, we say it took off. Thus, option D is the correct answer. In question 8, we choose the correct phrase to describe completing work. The standard idiom is step by step, making C the correct option. For question 9, we identify the correct question word. Since the answer provides the name of a cat, the question must be, what is the name of your cat? Option A is correct. Question 10 asks to identify the subordinate clause. In the sentence provided, if it rains tomorrow, acts as the dependent or subordinate clause. The correct choice is B. Moving to the reading section, question 11 asks who approached the queen. Based on the text, the king was the one who approached her. The correct answer is B. In question 12, we identify what the queen wished to listen to. According to the story, she specifically wanted to hear the king's poem. Therefore, the answer is D. Question 13 asks why the king apologized. He did so because he realized he had overreacted during the interaction. Option C is the correct answer. Finally, for question 14, we identify the quality shown by the queen. By accepting the apology, she demonstrates the quality of forgiveness. The correct answer ISA. Question 15 asks about a lesson learned from a conflict with a friend. Admitting one's mistake can resolve disagreements and strengthen a bond. Therefore, the correct option is C. Honest apologies can mend relationships. In question 16, we are asked to rearrange the words to form a coherent sentence. By organizing the given phrases, we get, if you speak kindly, people will respect you. For question 17, we need to create a sentence using the binomial day and night. A perfect example is, I studied day and night for my examination. Question 18 is a matching task, matching each sound to its source. Buzz pairs with a bee, roar with a lion, giggle with laughing children, and clang with metal objects hitting. Question 19 examines a dialogue between a king and his new advisors. The king offers them the role of advisors because he values their remarkable intelligence, wisdom, and ability to see beyond the obvious. Finally, for question 20, we explore long-form answers. We look at descriptions of the poet's experiences in a garden, or a diary entry reflecting on Tenali Ramakrishna's clever use of wit to resolve a royal misunderstanding.